Now that your sources are saved correctly, the next step is organizing them so you can actually find them later. If everything stays in my library, it quickly becomes overwhelming. Organizing your sources now saves time and stress later. In Zotero, create a new folder for each course or research assignment. Click the New Folder button and a new box will pop up. Enter the name for the folder. For Create In, make sure you are creating it in My Library, or create subfolders by choosing a folder that already exists. Put a number in front of the name if you want the folder to stay in a certain order. Drag your saved sources into the collection. This does not delete them. It just keeps related items together. Success means each class or paper has its own collection, and all related sources are grouped in one place. Organization reduces stress. Don't try to do everything at once. Organize as you go. Next, we will show you how to use these sources while you write. If you need more help, contact the Canon Memorial Library.